I hear station Kilo Golf something. Come back slowly with your call sign again phonetically, please.
Slowly with your call sign again phonetically, please.
Is that Kilo Golf 9 Juliet Foxtrot? Is that a Roger?
Kilo Golf 9 Juliet Foxtrot. Is that a Roger?
Juliet Foxtrot, what is your location? I could maybe try one of my SDRs in your area. Where are you located, sir?
SDRs in your area. Where are you located, sir?
Copy, Illinois. And what is the name there?
Copy, Illinois. And what is the name there?
The name here is Martin. Alpha Romeo, Tango India November.
Is that Martin?
Is that Martin?
Yes, that's correct. You got it now.
Alrighty, Martin, and what radio are you running today, sir?
Alrighty, Martin, and what radio are you running today, sir?
Was that a 7530?
Was that a 7530?
It's a 757
Boy, Martin, I wish I had a better copy. You're about half dB. I was copying you up in Pennsylvania, about half dB over the noise level. I went around again trying to find a better copy, but I haven't been. If you were, come up on that mic and let me hear you say what radio that is you're running. Okay, I'm copying a 75.7. Is that a Roger?
Okay, I'm copying a 75.7. Is that a Roger?
All right, Martin, if you'd be interested in our setup procedure, do you have a pretty good copy on me?
Interested in our setup procedure? Do you have a pretty good copy on me?
Yes, sir. Well, gosh, I don't have a very good copy on you, unfortunately. But if you can copy me, we could do this setup procedure. That's an older radio. Is that a Roger?
Procedure. That's an older radio. Is that a Roger?
30 years old. I bought it new in 1991, I believe it was.
Okay, so it's got a fixed bandwidth transmission, so we don't have to worry about trying to get it in that any bandwidth. It's probably a fixed bandwidth, 2.5 or 2.4, somewhere around in there. So let's just move to the main part of the setup, and that starts with the compressor processor being engaged at a 3 out of 10 or 30 out of 100. We don't want the compressor processor on, but just at a third of its capabilities. Roger?
But just at a third of its capabilities. Roger?
Processor is on, and I'll take it down to a level 3 there. That's about
Yes, sir. If you have numbers on that compressor, we're looking for a 3 out of 10 or 30 out of 100. If you don't, we just want normal compression. Just normal compression, Roger.
Normal compression. Just normal compression, Roger.
Roger, still not copying you very well. Let's move on, though. If you've still got a copy on me, let's go to your ALC meter with mic gain in hand. And as you say the magic word audio, adjust your mic gain until your ALC meter is showing 2/3 deflection. 2/3 deflection on your ALC meter as you say the word audio as you adjust your mic gain. Roger?
Say the word audio as you adjust your mic gain. Roger?
Roger, roger. All right.
All right, now does that radio have equalization? Does that radio have tone control capabilities, equalization? Roger?
They'll have tone control capabilities, equalization. Roger?
Let me try that again. Does that radio have equalization capabilities, internal equalization capabilities?
Equalization capabilities, internal equalization capabilities.
Negative, negative, it does not.
Alrighty, so what you can do is use acoustic equalization. This is what everybody used to have to do before they had onboard EQ gear, and that is take a step back from your microphone, about 2 inches additional back from where you were, and then reset your ALC level. And the idea is that it's reverse proximity effect. The closer you get, the more bassy you get. So inversely, the further away you get, the brighter you get. The more top end you get. So what we want is to try to maximize our treble end without the capability of electronic equalization. So if you were to run that mic about 2 inches further back than what you normally would do, that would brighten you up some, but you would need to go back and do the audio set level thing on your ALC to make up the difference from where you're working to, like 2 inches or so back from where you were.
Like 2 inches or so back from where you were.
Deflecting the ALC meter, over.
Hey, I got a pretty good copy on you now in Georgia. Repeat your last.
Hey, I got a pretty good copy on you now in Georgia. Repeat your last.
I said right now, the ALC meter is just barely deflecting on voice. Over.
Well, it's what you need to do is keep turning your mic up until your ALC meter comes up to 2/3. Roger, roger.
Your ALC meter comes up to 2/3. Roger, roger.
Alrighty, I'll do that. I'll turn it up. Okay. Well, it deflects quite a bit after just turning the knob there, over.
Yes, sir. Now, be looking at your ALC meter. We want it to be reading 2/3 as you say the magic word audio, Roger. And you use your mic gain to adjust the intensity of the signal on your ALC meter as you say the word audio, Roger.
The signal on your ALC meter as you say the word audio, Roger.
Roger, audio. That's about audio. How's that, over?
Yes, sir. You came up drastically. I can copy you very well now. Before you were in the mud. Now it's like you got about 300% louder, Roger.
It's like you got about 300% louder, Roger.
Roger. Well, you have just gone down considerably. I can barely read you now, over.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, just imagine what you're going to sound like to me when our signals get good. Usually, it's amazing how the signals usually follow the same path. You know, when I come up to you, you would normally come up to me, and vice versa. But hang on just a second. Let me. Okay, had to take care of a little business there. But you know, not always do we run in the same path. Roger, Roger.
But you know, not always do we run in the same path. Roger, Roger.
I've lost you in the noise. I've just totally lost you in the noise there. So I'll stand by just to see if the signal comes back over.
Yes, sir. Well, it's apparently coming and going this afternoon, and so you never know about Mother Nature. She usually comes around, but it takes a while to persuade her. We have to kind of excite the electrons a little bit to tickle her fancy, so she decides to propagate in a proper manner, so to speak. And Martin, you are sounding very good versus where we were when we started. So, gosh, I think we, you know, have done a good job. What part of Illinois are you in?
Done a good job. What part of Illinois are you in?
Martin, you seem to have faded out now. I guess I faded out to you. Is that a Roger?
Seem to have faded out now. I guess I faded out to you. Is that a Roger?
So I'm going to stand by. I'm going to stand by. There's also someone else. I have totally lost you in the noise. So I'll stand by with that. This is KC9JF.
Roger, Roger, Martin. Well, if you've got any kind of coffee on me at all, I am recording now, and I'll be uploading this to YouTube by noon tomorrow. And so if you want to hear your audio, or it's not the best in the world because propagation is not good, but if you would like to hear it, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV, followed by the word logbook, that will take you to this recording. So let me say 73 for the moment, and if I come up to you, you can rejoin me. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. If you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.